welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my freaking channel, welcome. It is another vlog. Today I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot up in the A because over the past year, like if I just saw something cute or if I went up there and did pictures myself, I marked the location, like where do I want to take pictures at. And I feel like it came in clutch today because all I had to do was put the favorites in my map and all these little pins popped up. I was like, girl, which one do we want to look fine at today? I am going to be meeting my friend Danny up there, and we just gonna take some fire-ass pictures for the gram because you know we gotta do it for the gram. And just chill, really. Might go get some food. But this is my outfit for today. I just got, well, not for the day because I just brought some more clothes with me. But I got this laced bodysuit, just a jean button up, and then I got this super vintage jacket. Like, I love this jacket to death. Y'all will see it later on today. This is legit fucking vintage, bitch. Like, my mom had this. It's got the purple on the inside looking pimpish. It's gonna be a great day. I guess I will continue vlogging when I get there. So peace. We finna take pictures at like this graffiti wall. I want to take some by that stank ass fucking dumpster right there.
Danny Ford, you know how we getting down.
Tell them your social media name, your ad name.
IG, you know, Danny Ford official. DANIFORD official. You know,
Hey.
Shout out, dude. Yeah. Sauce it up.
Okay, so we just got done shooting at this first location. Shot in front of this wall. Couple shots over here. I'm trying to get a little dirty. Look, shoot some pictures by this dumpster. I think we're gonna go to like this bridge where you can overview the city. What else? I want to do like a lot of cement looking stuff. So let's get it. Okay, so we just got done. We finna change outfits. Danny already changed outfits. But we finna change locations. Finna go into this graffiti tunnel, the tunnel that Thug had shot that video at.
Man, water is the key and the nectar to everyone's life. You feel me? Toast up one time.
Toast the fuck up.
Everybody drink some water and mind your damn business.
Mind your motherfucking business, bitch. So this is the motherfucking graffiti tunnel that we are finna shoot at.
You see how beautiful it looks on the outside. Most of y'all know this place.
Stop.
You feel me? For some people, they never been here. They don't know where the fuck to find this place. But guess what? As we continue to walk in deeper and deeper into the Krog Tunnel, this motherfucker is lit. You dig what I'm saying, folks? Yeah.
Oh shit, fix the angle.
I'm Mr. Huxtable.
We didn't take a picture like that. Hey.
We're gonna climb one of these.
Vlogging now? I just gotta wait for the cars to clear. They're looking at me crazy.
Y'all see that? Oh, white supremacy. Pussy.
Look, shout out to the braid. If y'all fuck with the braid, then like this video.
Yeah, I told her about the braid.
So we just got done shooting at the tunnel. We finna change outfits, change locations. I really want to try to go to that cement hallway and the stairs because they're right next to each other. So got some great fucking shots. Some great fucking shots. So, you know, we had to take a picture with the guap. The motherfucking guap.
Shout out to TheyloveBria. Y'all subscribe to my partner them now, motherfuckers. Now. Like, I know y'all enjoy her videos. She got great makeup tutorials, all that shit, man. Just get at it. I don't need no pictures. I'm with Gucci, you feel me? Yeah.
So we are here at this cement hallway, as I would like to call it. I did live right here the other day, and I'm still in their fucking location.
Meantime, in between time, it's Danny Ford time again. Like, I look beat up. Once I get a little line up and my hair retwisted, some more chin hairs coming in again, I'll be lit. I'll be looking like something, you feel me? And here come Bria again. Look at me.
Hey! Okay, so there's somebody else about to come, so get in.
Okay.
Taking me around for like money. Say lovely, feeling lovely.
And what?
Feeling lovely.
Changed outfits, changed scenes. Got my scrubber heels on. My scrubber heels. We finna do one more shot, wrap it up, because Danny gotta go to work at the Vans. We finna shoot right here. I'm gonna do it on the steps. Ugh, just got rock in my shoe. This is how you know you got a real motherfucking friend. When you wear heels, they help you cross the street.
Yeah. No light work.
Yeah.
Me don't want to work, no man. Me don't want to work. Me don't.
I don't have a good Jamaican or what's it called? Yeah, Jamaican accent.
Yeah, I'm around them all day, so.
Ting. That's all I know.
Great thing, you know.
Great thing, you know.
Yeah.
Hey.
Before I go to work, I'm freestyle.
Yeah.
Before I go to work, I'm freestyle. Before I go to work, okay, so now that the beat drop, I'm with Bria and see the peach drop.
Hey!
Yeah, and we not bummy, yeah, we fresh. You gotta do it all the time.
Stay blessed.
Yeah, stay blessed, that's cool too. I'm a dad, shout out to Migos. I got Bria, check out the stilos.
Hey.
Each every novel, all in the place. And my car is that away. Ooh, 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 ooh. I got the big little watch on me. That is good. So.
So before we end the vlog, you have to, you never been in one before, right? Okay. So we got your ad name. We need the story of like how we became friends.
So this is how me and Bria became friends. Cool. All right, so you know, at the time, I was getting my followers up, right? So I would go on different people's profiles and say, hey, follow. I get to scrolling, and then I see Bria, and when I see her, I'm like, damn, who is this? I saw her on IG. I double tap, went on the profile, checked the profile out. I double tap, some
how it works.
some days go by, and she returned the favor. So, you know, I feel like if you go on a liking spree and the person that goes on a liking spree too on your shit, meaning y'all obviously want to, you feel me, talk or communicate and get to know somebody. So I shot my shot in the DM.
Look, swish.
What was the very first day we linked up? The very first day.
The very first?
Yeah.
When you came over to my house and you were fucking terrified of Puggy?
Yes. Side
I
note,
was like, what the fuck?
I do not like animals.
He's scared of Puggy. Who is scared of Puggy?
Animals are not my stilo, you feel me? Like ever since then, like we just been cool. We hanging out more. We started taking pictures. She helped me out with my rap career. It's March, fucking finally. I got new music on the way that I'm dropping. So if y'all got SoundCloud, it's the same thing. Danny Ford. Same thing with Apple Music and Spotify and Pandora, whatever the fuck you listen to music on, I'm
He
on that
on
shit.
it, nigga. He on it.
Motherfucker and shit. I'm helping her with the photography and vlogging that she has going on, and now modeling. So you feel me? Like, you know, I'm helping her, she's helping me. You know, we both benefit for each other as great friends that we are. So shit, you gotta keep great people around you.
Always.
To involve. But yeah, that's how me and Bria became great friends. To this day. Man, shout out to again TheyloveBria. Y'all show my girl some love, man. Real talk.
Real
Be out here
motherfucking talk.
bullshitting with my partner now. I come through and you dig?
Look, and who knows, you might see him again. So go ahead and fucking subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, come on now. Y'all want to see me and see Bree? Subscribe, please. You dig?
Oh, she just letting them off.
See ya.
Oh, bye, Danny.
See ya. Yeah, real nice, genuine hugs out here. Alright, vlog people. Danny Ford is outie.
That's my nigga right there. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to live for the rest of the day. I need to make some shmoney, get this work. So let's freaking get it. Why would you fucking do that like I wouldn't fucking hit you?